Charles Owen was a professor at ID who's no longer with us, and he used to teach structured planning.
Series of individual elements which are organized by some kind of relationship to give us.
He was a systems thinker and someone who believed that structure and creativity go together. Like almost every professor who's taken a class with him talks about him all the time. And what if you could just ask Chuck, how can I make this a way for people to have deeper conversations and not just a way for me to interact with just the content, but even ideas and questions I have beyond just the content. So we took all the PDFs that were papers that Chuck published and made a repository with which you could interact.